they say is wealth, and a healthy man is a wealthy man, just as a healthy nation is a wealthy nation. This is also the belief of the senator representing Edo South Senatorial District, distinguished Senator Pharmacist Matthew Isaac Bonriodion Urhoghide. As a certified pharmacist, Senator Matthew Urhoghide truly placed premium on the health needs of the people of Edo South Senatorial District. Hence, he used his good offices as a national legislator to organize healthcare programs for both the young and old people in Edo South Senatorial District. Even though it is a known fact that the duty of a legislator is to make laws for the good governance of the country, Senator Matthew Urhoghide delved into many other areas just to add value to the lives of other people, particularly in ensuring that the people he represents enjoy sound health.
Only you can do what no man can do. Only you can do. Undeniable God, unchangeable God. Only you can do what no man can do. Only Matthew Urhoghide can do what no other senator can do.
Worthy of mention is the free cataract surgeries he carried out to those who were unable to pay for medical bills. Indeed, Senator Matthew Isaac Bonriodion Urhoghide demonstrated that leadership is about impacting the lives of other people, influencing and inspiring others in the society for the benefit of all. The love and passion that Senator Matthew Urhoghide has for the people of Edo South and by extension Edo State in general propelled him to organize a free medical exercise in collaboration with African Cataract Foundation, where people with different eye challenges had the opportunity to be screened and treated for free.
The way I'd always envisaged my work is to be able to find partners with whom I can work. And I got fortunate, I ran across my old friend, the Senator Matthew Urhoghide. Both of us actually read pharmacy years ago at the University of Benin. And I told him of my projects, and he was glad because he said he was doing a constituency event for his senatorial district, and we'll be glad to have us come and collaborate with him to start a program that will help eradicate cataracts, which the Beninese call Urhoghide, from his senatorial district. That was quite exciting, and I thought it was a great thing for me to get involved in. I thanked him profusely, and today I am here to commence this project. Basically, what we intend to do is to be able to eradicate all cataracts in the 7 local governments that the senator represents. So it's going to start today with about 100 cataracts planned for operations. After that, he intends to continue with us on an annual basis to see that eventually we eradicate cataracts from the senatorial district. Now, the 1,000 cataract surgeries we plan, like you can see in the poster, it's in celebration of the Benin Kingdom. We intend to go and do surgeries for all people in the Kingdom. The calculation is that if we can do out 1,000 cataracts this year of those who are blind, then we really will have gotten a real foothold on the scourge of blindness in our state. It's just that we're trying to serve better the more vulnerable groups. If you look at any group of humans, the people who are most vulnerable are women and children. So because we're catering for more or less the adult ones in this society, we just looked and said, look, children roam around a lot. They invariably will come with their grandparents, their mothers and stuff. Why don't we just capture them and try and deworm them and keep them a little bit healthier? That's really what we're trying to do just to give a little added service to the communities.
With the aid of modern medical equipment and specialists led by pharmacist Gabriel Okorodudu, the beneficiaries were subjected to series of tests to ascertain the state of their sight, while surgeries were carried out on those with complicated issues. Some minor cases that were detected at Imagwero college venue of the screening exercise were corrected with glasses and drugs given to hundreds of patients who described Senator Matthew Urhoghide as an upright man who delivered on his campaign promises. They said he is indeed a promise keeper.
The man we sent to the House of Senate, I think he's doing a good job. You can see the crowd present here today. It means that the entire country will have problems. So I think he has come to solve this problem. And we're not paying for this, and this is free. So we said, more great example. And we need to do more. Today, the man has come with an initiative. The initiative is going to go a long way to help people who have this eye problem to be solved. The senator has done a very good job, and I praise his effort, and I wish he can continue.
And it's a good thing to Edo South Senatorial District, and it's a welcome development to the people of Edo South Senatorial District, and we have not seen this kind of thing before. Now he has been a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now the thing that he has been doing cover the senatorial district. Though the people outside, the market women, the shoemaker, the massive less privilege, all of us benefited from it.
I thank Senator Matthew Urhoghide for coming to the aid of those with short eyesight. In fact, all general eye problems. It really shows a real distinguished senator. He has been able to give life to those who have no hope for life. So we thank him. Since I collect this glass now, I can now see properly, and to read used to be a problem. But I've collected this glass now, I'm really comfortable. We have been seeing it before, but this one is extraordinary. The turnout, the response from the medical officers is marvelous.
Well, even without being told, we could see that whatever thing that is going on now is worth it. The Senator Urhoghide Matthew, my distinguished leader, has really done us good in this Edo South Senatorial. He has proven that we sent him and he has gotten back to us. I believe people talk of money, like around the environment. I heard some said that money we want, that this one we want. But most times health is wealth. Health, when you are healthy, you are more than a wealthy man. I believe this he has done for us today is worth it.
I test where I come from, so I never go for anywhere before, but since I had seen from this man, from this party, let me pick up. I really just past nearly 4 years. So today now, I thank him very much. God will bless him. He will the way to do. He will fail for his life. My blessing not be to make her big. It not big already. But my way is to add joy, make it big. God will bless her in Jesus' name.
I need the pain before. Now once he said that, some people don't let me take it and buy some medicine, take the put the medicine for and now once I go work that day, the day when I go work, that is the truth will happen. God show me that my people come to carry me for home. They let me carry me to my house. Tomorrow, next tomorrow, I spend a lot of money so no way. I go bring this our doctor out. See me bring the help.
And they carry me come here today. So when I come here, I thought they have when I see people, but they are not with you. When it will be the next month, everyone will be talking, share the matter, that will happen. My mind sweet, it will be the doctor is on the take care. My mind sweet well.
The free medical exercise, which also saw the deworming of school children, did not end at Urhoghide College, which was the venue for the free Medicare, as Senator Matthew Urhoghide, the promise keeper, ensured that surgeries were done for cataract sufferers irrespective of the cost for the operation and the number of persons detected. The beneficiaries, who were full of kind words for Senator Matthew Urhoghide, described him as a kind man who brought them out of their figurative world of darkness to light. They said through Senator Matthew Urhoghide, many people have now seen the light because they say the eye is the light to the human body.
In fact, what Urhoghide has done in Edo State cannot be quantified with money. So many lives have received light because eye is the light of the human being, just like the vehicle, the light of a vehicle. Without the light of a vehicle, the vehicle cannot move at night. So that's exactly what the eye serves to the human race. I quite appreciate Urhoghide. May God bless him. God will multiply his wisdom, and through him, some other persons will begin to know that yes, to do good things. In fact, as I'm speaking here, right here in the clinic front, persons are praying for him. They have not even known him before, but because of what they have seen and sight that they have regained, they are really appreciating him. I thank God for Urhogide's life.
The thing we're to do is very good thing, because where this thing started almost 2 years ago, and they go to UBTH, but when we go there, come back tomorrow. It's almost this is the beginning of this year. So when I come here, and I just for only 2 days, just that will be the thing. And so the thing is all right. So the senator I talk the doctor also who do this good belly to do the work, and I pray God will guide him. And we are ready that anytime the senator consign, we are in the order in support.
Okay, now on a since year 2000 in 92 years. 92 I own so akiame. Imagine John at go there. Mete wana. Oga mu mekia. Okay, kere odomu megbota is a dukun ijoga. Imami happy. Urhoghide na we mania ya tik ba oge e man o me a problem na ne dadoge ga dey. E me na ade wa gume pon Urhoghide ife na ri ogwa. Always say ekmomo we Urhoghide we ekmomo ro we em no ri ari boy o aduna o ugu ko ebo nukere o ho fi karanya go wa fi karanya woni egbe nukere egbe no bere egbe no biye gere e u ga kin ai we mi opa biye kewe awe ugu ni maya go na kin gere ne makewe mi ni o ga kin awo ebe ni tari o je be ni Jesus Christ no me ma family
ko so bad about we say o the big doctor Marina or Urhoghide other here my other ma do igbe ma wo he o ma baba ye so bo agmo go e doctor go give you be ya family that do ya me ke doctor lo wo carry photographer baba uwese luwa si ayo se ale Urhoghide ko ke family go ya me aso ya me oda me agia isi opopo ya gbe ko na doctor mi lo re wuna so bo Jesus mighty name I pray.
I so much thank God for the eye when they do me.
Okay.
I very thank God for them.
Yes,
I thank God for doctor, nurse, everybody. God could bless them.
Yes,
in Jesus' name. Amen.
In fact, I'm so grateful to our great senator. He's a God-sent senator. God-sent senator. That's what I call him. Yes, and it's only good I will pay him back for his service to humanity.
Okay.
For what he has done for us, in fact, like I did say before, it's only good I can pay him back. Well, yeah, what he has done for me, I could appreciate. And I'm in order. My eyes initially, I cannot read well, but now I can read well. You know, glass, everything, they all give to me drugs, everything free. So I thank you, my great senator, God bless you.
I thank Senator Urhoghide for the offer over this my eye that I've been suffering for the past 2006, 2005. May God continue to bless him. Without him, I would have lost my sight. May God continue to bless him and the family.
Video where say Baba, where say brother from 2005, go Yahweh. I was getting out the way Mago, where say Urhoghide want to change. When I don't win any man, and now to come with you. Now that I bought for one, you saw back for one, I say no man. When I say ya degging, and I can book no more. If you have no that one, you saw back and win.
For more than a year, I have not been seen at all. I want to thank the Senator Urhoghide that God used for the doctor and the nurses that take care of us. So I'm here to appreciate, to thank him, and to use God to thank him, to thank his family and the doctor and the nurses.
Senator Matthew Urhoghide, who recalled his humble background, said he was determined to add value to the lives of many people as possible and promised to continue on the path of impacting lives positively as long as he lives.
I have been able to carry out programs, in conjunction with the African Eye Foundation, Dr. Okorodudu, to give sight to people who suffer from glaucoma, and then of course people who suffer from opacity of lens, that is their eye, I'm talking of eye defects now. So, we're able to, cataract surgeries we're able to do for people, and for those who desire glasses, because sight is foremost. So I was able to do surgeries, on my own within the constituency, and in partnership during the coronation for about Benin. African Foundation partnered with me to give the safe services to our people in the South Central District. So, and then of course, deworming students and providing glasses to younger people and older people have been able to do that.
While hundreds of persons were receiving free medical attention at Urhoghide College, others received empowerment materials, and still others were given grants. The occasion was indeed a double-edged sword, offering Medicare for people to get well in one hand and, in the other hand, empowering others. Senator Matthew Urhoghide is indeed a God-sent senator, according to those who spoke.
I'm very happy about the wishes that our senator gave to me. So I'm very appreciative. And two, I want to use this opportunity to thank him. May God continue to guide him and bless him in Jesus' name.
I have been at home for the past 2 years. My eyes were scratching me. I went to so many hospitals. After some time, cataract came out from my eye. I've been to so many hospitals. They say one eye is 100 plus. And I cannot afford that money. I was praying to God to send me a helper, to send me a favor, that I can do this cataract. I've been indoor. My brothers, sisters, they abandoned me. They have been laughing me. My husband took me from one hospital to another. It was one fateful evening. I saw in the television, they were saying that they have surgery in Urhoghide College. On Monday I came here, they tested me with so many machines, of which the hospital have been going. They will tell me the machine they want to use to test my eye is about 20,000, which I cannot afford. I will go home crying. They tested me, they asked me to come on Tuesday. I came with my husband, the 2 eyes, they did the operation. It was on Wednesday, when they lose it on Wednesday, it was successful. I can see far, I can read and write. I'm very grateful. I cannot do anything before, but now my business will come back to normal.
I thank Senator Matthew Urhoghide for this program. I'm happy I've corrected, they've tested my eyesight, and I've been given glasses, reading glasses, calling corrective glasses. And so that is too, like empowerment, motorcycle, generators, and all wheelchairs for the disabled. And other incentive. I thank Senator Matthew Urhoghide. It's a good thing. I think we keep this up.
Outside the free eye surgeries done by the distinguished Senator Matthew Urhoghide in Benin City, The senator also took cognizance of those living in the rural areas and brought free medical exercise to their doorsteps. In one of such occasions, Senator Matthew Urhoghide organized a 2-day free medical program in Ekeadolo, which attracted members of other neighboring communities in Ovia Northeast local government area of Edo State. Both old and young people took advantage of the exercise. The advocacy, sensitization, and free health program afforded the hundreds of beneficiaries the opportunity to undergo therapy for different ailments, including hypertension, diabetes, dental care, optical services, amongst others. The team of medical personnel, single-handedly sponsored by Senator Matthew Urhoghide, ensured that all who came for medical attention truly got the attention they deserved. Senator Matthew Urhoghide, represented at the program by a former member of Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Levis Aigbogun, said the Chairman Senate Committee on Public Account, Matthew Urhoghide, believes that a healthy nation is a wealthy nation. Hence, his efforts in facilitating the health program through the Federal Ministry of Health.
This is a laudable project. As it is often asserted, health is wealth. So it is very essential that our people are healthy. Healthy individuals make up healthy families. Healthy families make up healthy communities. Healthy communities make up a healthy nation. And a healthy nation is a wealthy nation. So the senator stands out for something that is commendable. And looking at his contribution so far, the hallmark of effective representation, this is part of what he is doing, and we'll continue to appreciate him, continue to recommend him for a greater position of service, because the people are feeling his positive impact. So I commend the federal government for this initiative. This initiative being a governmental approach, it's an approach aimed at bringing health to all in realization with the Millennium Goal Development. This is a commendable project, and I salute the effort of the federal government and that of distinguished Senator Matthew Urhoghide.
Some of the beneficiaries who lauded Senator Urhoghide said his antecedents, legislative achievements, and personality clearly demonstrates that he is a man who has love for his people.
It's not easy. When he promised, he must do it. It's not easy. Myself, I did not expect. At times now, I may not get money to buy drugs as I know well. But as he can't do this one now, I don't thank God for today.
We are very glad that we have this program. And I want to say that the communities involved are very grateful to distinguished Senator Urhoghide. What he is doing things for himself and doing things for the people that voted him in. There is no way that anybody can forget him.
For someone like him, for this job he's doing, it's a very big job. As we never see any person in this our very notice do this type of job, we appreciate. He's a nice man. If we see second of him in this our Edo State, Edo State could have been clean more than this. Person who helped someone for health, it's a big job as he did. We are very, very happy.
Senator Urhoghide, so about your bow. You know, don't have your notice, you don't have your cousin. So about nothing up boy. Without doubt, I will get. When I don't know, I'm more than me. Any cat or I see you, dear don't know what you know. Your boy have better. When no bow with Yagmona, those are boy bow work of more. Demanding when I live. Who dig it, could dig okay.
I heard yesterday that Urhoghide bring some idea to this Kalalo center here. But for me now from Ogwa, the time yesterday I come today, can't take treatment. I thank Urhoghide for the help what they do for human being. Even I come to my community self Ogwa, you see put borehole there. That man, what he do? I take breed that man, come where that man from come. May God bless him.
It has been very orderly and very awesome. The community. It's a nice community that one has seen. I mean, different kinds of emails. But basically, being in the tropics, most of the things you see more are the tropical disease, which is malaria, basically, and we have some of the few adults who are also hypertensive patients.
And again, some that yes cannot be taken care at primary care level, which we are offering now, we refer them to the tertiary institution for further and expert treatments there.
We have to appreciate the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency for bringing this kind of program up, and especially for the senator, our distinguished senator Matthew Urhoghide, for facilitating this for his people. I think it's a laudable project.
There is no doubt that Senator Matthew Urhoghide has always and we always put the interest of the people first.